Hey folks, I tried to find a nice solution for a gun that is the early version. I like the normal pistol shape and think this form works fairly good. Until now I have some different parts. The gun based of course on an energy weapon. Means we have a changeable energy pack. In total two. One more on the pistol grip, this one. And charges while we use the other. A future weapon needs of course more lights and displays. The light on the energy pack show us how much energy we have. We have to take off some parts for inspect the top inner space. It's okay because it is too dangerous with connected energy storage to open this. I need to fill this later with something where we get lasers out of later. The display on the side is of course removable. It displays options for the energy intensity. We need that. How often need your energy weapon more power for open doors or something like that? The display on the back shows us the environment and targets. I am not convinced if we need rear sight and front sight. Probably have every rough dude something to distract the energy projectile. And the normal aim doesn't work, but we can also detach this display. What else does the gun need? Write down in the comments section, and thanks for joining in and see you next time.